Hello everyone. We will start with the next point of our chapter number 2, the incremental model. First of all, we will see what is the incremental model. Incremental model is a process of a software development where requirements are broken down into multiple standalone modules of a software development cycle. Incremental model is done in steps for analysis, design, implementation, testing, verification and maintenance. Each iteration passes through the requirement, design, coding, and testing phases, and each subsequent release of the system adds functions to the previous release until all design functionality has been implemented. The system is put into production when the first increment is delivered. The first increment is often a core product where the basic requirements are addressed and supplementary features are added in the next increment. Once the core product is analyzed by the client, there is a plan development for the next increment. We will see the phases of the incremental models one by one. At the requirement phase, it will gather the requirements and specification of the softwares. At the design phase, some high-end functions and designs are taken. At the coding of the software is done. At the testing, the system is deployed. Once the system is deployed, it goes through the testing phase. Some characteristics are system development is broken down into many development projects. Partial systems are successively built to produce a final total system. Highest priority requirement is tackled first. Once the requirement is developed, requirements for that increments are frozen. When to use the incremental models. If the requirements of the system are clearly understood, when demand for an early release of a product arises, when software engineering teams are not very well skilled or trained, when high risk features and goals are involved, such methodology is more in use for web application and product based companies. Some advantages of your incremental models are the software will be generated quickly during the software life cycle. It is flexible and less expensive to change requirements and scope. Throughout the development stage, changes can be done. This model is less costly compared to others. A customer can respond to each building. Errors are easy to identify. There are some disadvantages of incremental model. It requires a good planning design. Problems might cause due to system architecture as such not all requirements collected up front for the entire software lifecycle. Each iteration phase is rigid and does not overlap each other. Rectifying a problem in one unit requires correction in all the units and consumes a lot of time. So this is overall your incremental model. Thank you.